Hey guys, and welcome to DIY with Jules. If you want to see how I make this beautiful vanity, stay tuned. Hello everyone, so this is my vanity. It is old. I've had it for at least 4 years. I do not like the cover on the seating, and the contact paper that's on top is old, it's scraped, it's scratched, it's dirty. And this is the only mirror that I have to put on my makeup. So I decided to upgrade my vanity, clean it up, get rid of some makeup, and make it brand spanking new. First of all, let me apologize for the mess in the garage. I am getting ready for a garage sale and it is a total mess. So you're going to begin by using this liquid sander deglosser that I always use on every project. Anything that has been painted can be deglossed and deshined so that you can just paint over the existing paint. Only thing you have to do is use the clean rag and use the glosser to wipe it off. After you wipe it, then you go over it with the first layer of paint. I realized later that I lost the footage of me painting the vanity. So basic knowledge, just rip off the paper off the top, make sure you clean it very well because the adhesive on the paper can leave some glue and residue on top, and just go over it with whatever color paint you want. For this project I chose the nickel color, and then I didn't like it and I went over it with silver. Now I just realized that I didn't have any gloves, so I finally put some on. When I was done painting, I used these rectangular 3x8 by 2 mosaic tiles. They come 50 in a box and I bought them on Amazon. I will leave the link down below. I started to trim the edge of my vanity with the mirrors, and when I got to the end, one of them was too long. So I decided to use bling wrap, and it was crystal bling wrap on the end. The end result was absolutely beautiful. To the drawers, I decided to make a design which took me 6 tries, but I finally came up with the one that I really liked, and this is what it looks like. So while the glue was drying on my vanity table, I started to work on my mirror. I purchased this YGS Tech vanity mirror light set. It comes 16 lights in the package and they're all connected. So you have to cut them individually. Please be very careful when you do cut them because all the wires are connected. And what you have to do is go in between each of the lights and cut the tape on the back. It is self-adhesive, so when you put it on the mirror, be very careful. Make sure that you're going to put it exactly where you have it, because once you put it down, you can't take it off. The light is touch. It comes with this plug where you can remove the plug and move your mirror and then plug it back in wherever you want. Now, I'm sorry if I almost blind you, but when I turned it on, I had no clue it was so bright. It's actually a beautiful, bright light, and it also has a dimmer, so you can adjust it to your liking. Instead of painting my mirror, I decided to use this vinyl silver glitter adhesive paper to the edges of the mirror. I gave it a good cleaning, and then I went on to attaching the paper. I cut my first piece and then used it as a template for the rest. Now this paper is adhesive, but I decided to add a little bit of hot glue to the edge on the back so that it'll hold a little better. As I laid out my lights, I realized that the wire in between is not that long. So I looped each of them before I laid it down and took the adhesive off the back, made sure that each loop was even, and I put these 2.5-inch mirrors over the actual wire to hide the wire and made the mirror look like it's an actual vanity with those bulbs in it. Now to place your mirrors, take the wire and twist it and put your hot glue next to the wire, not on top of it because it's so hot that it can actually melt the wire, and just place your mirrors right on top. You have to hold it for a few seconds so it can dry and then go on to the next. I used command strips to hang my mirror on the wall, and this is the final product. I am so in love with my new mirror and my newly painted and decorated vanity. Now stay tuned for the next video where I actually make a few more DIYs to decorate my vanity top. Thank you so much for stopping by to DIY with Jules, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Have a wonderful day.